Good morning, cadets. Here is the second passage, which is a case-based passage. So this time you're going to get in the examination like this, based on facts, data, yes, data facts, or they'll provide you yes this kind of data, this kind of figure, and on the basis of the that whatever the data that is provided to you, you have to analyze that, and it's a case-based passage. So like this there'll be a second passage. I think it's quite clear to you that second passage is going to be case-based passage, whereas the first passage, which has the weightage of 10 marks, it may be literary passage, it may be descriptive passage, or factual passage, whereas the second passage is going to be factual passage. So you will find the answers direct here, whereas in the case of first one, not necessary so, because if it's a discursive passage, it will be on various topics. It will not be on a particular topic. So random thoughts, we have seen one particular one where the discussion on various topics had taken up. So here, in the case of first one, it will be like that. That will carry 10 marks. The second passage will be case-based passage. That will carry, yes, how many marks? 8 marks. Yes, 8 questions are going to be there, and yes, 8 questions are going to be there. So let's go to this. You have, in the case of the first one, you got option 12 questions are going to be there. You can write 10, and in the case of second one, out of 8 questions, you can write 6 questions. Okay, let's go to these questions now. So keep this thing in the mind that how to attempt these questions. Like 14 questions will be given there, and you have to attempt how many? Yes, that you have to see that how many questions you should attempt. Okay, so let's go to this. Over the last 5 years, so 12 questions you have to attempt 10, right? So that's quite clear to you. So, right. Now let's go to this. Over the last 5 years, more companies have been actively looking for intern profiles. Now I think 10 you have to attempt 8, and here it will be given 8, you have to attempt 6. So totally it will be how many marks question in the case of reading section? Right, 14 marks? Yes, 14 marks, I think. Yes, 14 plus 14 plus, yes, 28. We'll just see how much it carries, okay? Over the last 5 years, more companies have been actively looking for intern profiles, according to a 2018-19 survey by an online internship and training platform. This survey reveals that India had 80% more internship applications, with 2.2 million applications received in 2018 compared to 1.27 million in the year before. The trend was partly due to more industries looking to have fresh minds and ideas on existing projects for better productivity. What was originally seen as a Western concept, getting an internship before plunging into the job market, is fast gaining momentum at Indian workplaces. So, here in the case of this data-based, case-based, these are going to be a little bit difficult. You have to be thorough with this. The answers will be direct, but you have to think over that. Like here, what has happened? So here, you have to have analytical mind. You have to analyze those facts, and then you have to arrive at logical conclusion. Okay, so over the last 5 years, more companies have been actively looking for intern profiles, according to a 2018-19 survey by an online internship and training platform. So trainees in the case of that, or internees. This survey reveals that India had 80% more internship applications, with 2.2 million applications received in 2018 compared to 1.27 million in the year before. The trend was partly due to more industries looking to have fresh minds and ideas on existing projects for better productivity. So they are looking for freshers. What was originally seen as a Western concept, getting an internship before plunging into job market, is fast gaining momentum at Indian workplaces. Now here, You can see this, what is data is given here. Internship trains in the year 2018. Popular trains to find internships in, like design and architecture 7.9, others 9.9, engineering 14.9, management 46.5, and media 20.8. So go through all these. You have to, before going through all this, you can just read, I mean, look at this figure, and once you go through the figure, you'll get like what is this passage about, because you have to analyze that. So read, see, I have given you one clue. What? Read the first paragraph, then read the question, then come back to this figure, then think over that. So your mind has to be analytical, not that simply reading the passage and then looking for the. See, otherwise it will become like a dustbin. Lot of data, lot of facts, and then it will be difficult for you to find out the answer for these questions. Less the facts, better you are tuned for them, sharper your mind is. So here we have just read the first paragraph and we have got some ideas. Then just, I mean, there's no need for, yes. So here you see, out of 8 questions, you have to attempt 6 questions. Out of 8 questions, you have to attempt 6 questions. So here, let's see now. Select the correct inference with a reference to the following. See here, you have to infer. So now here, see, the difficulty level has been increased. See, difficulty level has been increased in the case of MCQs. So that's why it is not as, see here, select the correct inference with a reference to the following. How to infer? Infer means what? You have to arrive at some sort of conclusion. Logically, you have to arrive at some guessing, right? You have to infer that. But logically, you have to arrive at that. You have to infer that. You have to think over that. You have to ponder over that. Now, what is the question here? Select the correct inference with a reference to the following. The past 5 years have seen active applications by interns to several companies. The activity for intern profiling by the companies has reached a gradual downslide over the past 5 years. There were lesser companies searching for intern profiles earlier as compared to those in the recent 5 years. Several companies have initiated intern profiling 5 times a year in the recent past. Yes, what is the answer here? Yes, Vikas, you want to say something? Yes? Oh, okay. Okay. Just let's go back. See here. This question
Option
now.
S.
What? Yes.
Yes, option S.
Yes. Tell loudly. Option.
Yes, A.
Option A. Okay. We'll just see what is the answer for this. Now here, just try to analyze the question also. Over the last 5 years, more companies have been actively looking for intern profiles. See, we are getting the clues. See, one clue which was given to us in the workshop is read the passage. See, now for that we'll do this clue. I'll just give you that what we were told, like the person was engaging classes for UPSC. That I mean, he had given the idea to us. When you are attempting for comprehension passage, so what you should do is read the first sentence of every passage and last sentence of every paragraph. In this passage, read the first sentence of every paragraph. So I'm just looking at the clues now, and last sentence of the paragraph. So here, over the last 5 years, more companies have been actively looking for intern profiles. So here, according to a 2018-19 survey by an online internship and training platform. Okay, this is the one question. Probably you'll look for the answer here. In the first one only, we can look for the answer, but then we can go to that clue. This survey reveals that India had 80% more internship, so more now with 2 point. But they have asked how it was before. So with 2.2 million applications received in 2018 compared to 1 point. So now more applications. The trend was partly due to, they have given the answer. It is due to what? More industries looking to have fresh minds. But they have not given that, what was originally seen as a Western concept, getting an internship before plunging into the job market, is fast gaining momentum. So they have given about that. Let's go to second paragraph now. Probably the answer may be in the second paragraph. According to the survey data, India's national capital region has been the top provider of internships with a total of 35% internship opportunities So here India's national capital region. So that is New Delhi, isn't it? Followed by Mumbai and Bangalore at 20% and 15% respectively. This includes opportunities in startup, MNCs, and even government entities. So MNCs, multinational companies. The survey also revealed popular fields to find internships in. So figure one, they have given all that design and architecture, engineering. So in a number of these popular fields. There's been growing awareness among the students about the intern profiles sought by hiring companies that often look for people with real-time experience in management than B school masters. Okay. Now, what is the clue is that read the first sentence of the paragraph and last sentence of the paragraph, and then you'll be able to gather some, what is it dealing with. That idea you will get. So let's read that. The stipend has been an important factor influencing the choice of internship. Okay, this one. So you'll come know it is all about internship. Virtual internships. So last sentence of this paragraph, third paragraph. Virtual internships got 3 times more applications than in office, since a large chunk of students. Okay, I'll just, Pawan Kumar is waiting there. Ah, right. Okay. See, every rather than discussing same thing, I'm just going on giving you more clues now here. Virtual internships got 3 times more applications than in office, since a large chunk of students were the ones already enrolled in various courses or preferred working from home. So, in the case of comprehension passage, see, it's a very important because it carries good weightage. So that's why you have to give a lot of importance to comprehension passages, because all these marks are in your pocket, but don't follow how you are following it all these years, just reading the passage and then going to the questions and answer, attempting one by one. That's, very easily you will be thinking over that. Usually you must have been doing that. Don't do that. Now here we have to see that you get every mark for, yes, you get every mark on comprehension passage, because all the marks are in your pocket. Only the comprehensibility that has to be correct. You have to understand the passage correctly. You have to analyze the passage correctly. If you are able to analyze properly, definitely you'll be able to score well. So I'm just giving you more. So eliminate all those, when you are thinking about that. So here, when you want to become analytical, rather than reading the entire passage and you are making your mind full of ideas, let's have at the beginning few ideas so that you'll be able to analyze properly. Okay, let's go to the next paragraph and let's see the first sentence. So some idea you'll be getting that internship portals have sprung up in the last 3 to 4 years, and many of them already report healthy traffic per month. They say that first paragraph and last paragraphs of the passages are very important, because in the first paragraph you are introducing the topic, and in the last paragraph it's a more of a conclusion. Okay, so here we'll read the last sentence of the paragraph, or we can read the entire last paragraph. Okay, because that is also very important. Because see, rather than reading the body paragraphs, we are going to the last paragraph and reading, first sentence and last sentences of all paragraphs. I hope it's clear to you. The managing director of a leading executive research firm says that though these web platforms are working as an effective bridge between the industry and students, most established companies are still reluctant to take too many interns on board for obvious reasons. Okay, let's go to the first question now. Let's see whether you are able to find that. See, at the beginning, just think over that this may be the answer. And in the second attempt only, when you read the entire paragraph, when you complete entirely, then second time again you should attempt. Is you, at the first arrive at some conclusions, arrive at the answers, but don't write in the, yes, in the answer book straight away the answers. Okay, let's come to this now. So let's come to the first question. Select the correct inference with reference. So you have to. Over the last 5 years, more companies have been actively looking for intern profiles. So they have been looking for intern profiles. Why? The past 5 years have seen active applications by interns. Is it because they have been applying more? Is it because of that? The activity for intern profiling by the companies has reached a gradual downslide. It's because, so B is also not right. Okay, it's not that first one, lot of applications have come of interns. That also is not given anyway. There were lesser companies searching for intern profiles earlier. as compared to those in the recent 5 years. And D, so either C or D. Several companies have initiated intern profiling 5 times a year in the recent past. D is wrong, so the right answer will be C. Okay, I hope it's clear to you now. So what you do, you eliminate which may not be correct, that you eliminate. So here you several companies have initiated, that is also wrong here. Okay, so you eliminate all that. What is like here, the past 5 years have seen active application, it appears closer there. So the activity for Indian profiling by the companies has reached, that is wrong, so you eliminate that. So elimination is another. So first you eliminate what is not right, so you eliminate. Then whatever you feel, oh, C and E, then again you go to the passage, you read that. So, you are arriving at a answer. Your answer then correct. I mean, you'll become very confident of the answer. Ah, this is the right answer. This is the only answer which is the right answer. So learn to eliminate. First thing is, so how to read the passage that I have given you. And one particular clue, which is a very, very important clue, is to eliminate what may not be the answer for this. Okay, I hope you got the ideas now. Now let's go to the next one now. Select the central idea of the paragraph likely to precede paragraph 1. Select the central idea of the paragraph likely to precede paragraph 1. Now, what will precede paragraph 1? That is the what will precede paragraph 1. The idea of the paragraph likely to precede paragraph 1. What does it mean? Okay, you are given the answer 12D. Okay, 12D is the answer here. What will come before paragraph 1? Precede means what? Preceding paragraph 1 is before paragraph 1, and you are given the answer knowing more about internship. Knowing more about internship, that will follow paragraph 1, I think. So understand preceding and following. Process of registering for internship, knowing more about internship, do's and don'ts for an internship interview, and startups and internships. So what is the answer? You are given the answer, Vikas Kumar. B, knowing more about internship. Yes, let's read the paragraph 1 and then let's see whether that is the
Startups
correct
and
answer.
internships.
Yes?
Startups and internship.
Ah, the more companies have been actively looking for intern profiles according to. So here, according to survey, right? Somebody has given some other answer. What is that? Startups and internships. Okay, startups and internships. Okay, right answer is knowing more about internships. Okay, knowing more about internships. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Now here you see, this keep it in mind that in the case of 13th one, when you are giving the answer for the 13th one, very important one. Whenever you are giving the answer for this, remember that you have to attempt only 13th first one only. For the visually impaired candidate, the survey states that internship opportunities don't answer for that. But actually, in the key, they will give the answer for 13th first one as well as second one also. It will be same. But for you is the first question. I hope it's clear to you. Which is the first question? Select the option that displays a true statement with reference to figure 1. And the survey
13th it
states
is
that internship opportunities. Because for the visually impaired candidates, remaining all, Braille script they can provide them. But wherever, this kind of data is provided through the figure, they will not be able to see all that. So that is why this question is for the visually impaired candidates. You got it now. So this question is not for you because none of you are visually impaired candidate. Okay. If you would have been visually impaired candidate, you would not have been in Sainik school. Okay, fine. So, right, hail and hearty. So that's why absolutely no problem for you all. Yes. All right. So we'll discuss this first this question number 30. Internships for engineering and management are the top two favorites. Design, so here select the option that displays the true statement with reference to figurative one. So if you go
Is
to that
option this.
data, and it will be clear to you, design and architecture internships are significantly more popular than others. So it is based on the figure, isn't it? So whatever the data they have provided in that figure, it is based on this. This question probably you'll be able to give answer correctly. Internships for media and others have nearly equal popularity percentage. Management internships popularity is more than twice that for media. So think over these and you can, yes, very good Vikas Kumar, yes. But let's see this and you'll find that what is that? What you are told is D. So what is there? D is management and media they have compared. So almost twice they are given there in the D. So yes, it appears so that is the right answer. Okay, right. Because you are absolutely right. Okay, because yes. So here you have to be very, very analytical, isn't it? So management internships popularity is more than twice that for media. We have seen that media 20-21%, whereas management internships 46%, twice that is 40%, and yes, and more than twice, yes, 46%. So absolutely right. Okay, let's so here see data is provided, figurative data is provided, and you have to write on that. So here probably you have to arrive at some conclusion there based on the data. So case-based paragraphs passage will be like this. Okay, right. So this is not there for you. The survey states that this is not for you. So don't attempt that question. Don't bother about that question. Yes, let's go to question number 14. Remember, this again novel feature of this examination. This is the one which definitely they'll give that. So here very very important one, you have to be analytical here. 14th question, and what is that 14th question? Based on reading of paragraphs 2 3, so you have to read the paragraph number 2 and 3, and based on that paragraph number 2 and 3, select the appropriate counter argument, yes, for the given argument, yes, counter argument to the given argument. So you have to look for counter argument to the given argument. And what is argument? I don't think you will be considered for an internship just because you have been the student editor and head of student council. See here, you have to go beyond the comprehension passage. Then you think about that, how your mind should work. You may be thinking, oh, I can finish the exam very fast. No, it is not like that. 90 minutes are given there. Time, enough time is given there. Spend more time on the paragraph. If you want, go through the paragraph, read that paragraph, write one, two, three, four, and again come back to the passage. No problem at all. Whenever you are in doubt, no, again come back to the passage, because these are the kind of questions that have been given there. Earlier, these kind of questions were not there, but this time they have said that this question will be there. So that's the reason why I've taken up the second passage. Otherwise, I would have just moved on to the next, thinking that, but first passage is going to be different, second passage is going to be different, and that's why I have taken up, discussion on the second paragraph. I hope it's clear to you now. And very, very important one, this particular question. See here, read the question. Based on reading, and this question is going to be there in the examination. Based on your reading of paragraphs 2 and 3. So here, see, they have limited you. Paragraph number 2, paragraph number 3. That's clear. Select the appropriate counter argument. Think about the argument. What is that? Then think over that. Two times you read this question, this argument. I don't think you will be considered for an internship. So you will not be considered for. So I don't think means what, you will not be considered for an internship just because you have been the student editor. Just because you are the student editor, you will not be considered for internship and head of student council. So you have to be good at sports, you have to be good at so many things. That is what is the argument. Let's see here what is given there. Assertion is given, what is there, and now here options are being given there. So options have been given there. Just read that option, and then we'll go back to the, yes, we'll go back to the paragraph number 2 and paragraph number 3. I think I have a fair chance because I'm applying for a virtual position than an in office one. I have real-time experience in managing a team, and many companies consider it more meritorious than a degree in management. Read 2A and B And then let's go to the paragraphs. We'll not read all four. We'll read only one or two because then you can remember that. So I have fair chance because I'm applying for a virtual question. If you want to read, then you read and think over all four. So fair
Sir,
chance
what
because I'm
meaning of
applying for a
stipend?
virtual portion means online. Then here I have real-time experience in managing a team, and many companies consider it more meritorious than a degree in management. So more real-time experience in managing a team. So here I know that my stipend might be on the lower side. You can find out which you can eliminate also. So let's go to paragraph number two. I think stipend and all when we were discussing probably it was not there. So paragraph two, we'll see what is there. Okay, we are paragraph two. According to the survey data, now we are thinking about whether selection for that or not. India's national capital region has been the top provider of internships with a total of 35% internship opportunities. Follow okay, all that they have given the data there. Now, see, when I'm doing that, I'm talking to myself also. So data is given there. So you have to talk to your mind. All that discussion should go on in your mind. So when this kind of discussion goes on in your mind, when you start thinking, yes, when you start thinking over that, then what happens? Then you'll be arriving at correct answers. You'll be able to find the correct answers only when you go on doing like this. So this all play, mind game should go on. In the mind, the play should go on. Then only you'll be able to arrive at. So take your own time. Enough time is provided to you. 90 minutes are given there. See all the questions which are there on literature section and all. Immediately you'll be able to do that. Writing section also no problem. But this section, reading section, which carries, good weightage, it carries a very good weightage. This section is a very, very important one. So Vikas Kumar 5143, he's in doubt about it. Okay, we'll just go through this. This includes opportunities in startups, MNCs. Stipend is kind of salary paid to the person. Okay, stipend is, when you join a company, yes, they pay you some amount. Trainees are paid. So what is that stipend? That is, yes, whatever they get, right? So there has been growing awareness among the students about the intern profiles sought by hiring companies that often look for people with real-time experience. See here, there has been growing awareness among the students. What is that? So probably you are coming closer to that. Growing awareness among the students about what? Intern profiles sought by hiring companies that often look for people with real-time experience in management. Then B school masters. So you can eliminate that. So they are looking for what? Real time experience rather than those who have come out of B school, business schools. So rather than those who have come out of the business schools, they are looking for those who have got real experience. Okay. So here, then let's go to the next paragraph because this is also very, one is we have got one view, that real time experience. Okay. Right. The stipend has been an important factor influencing the choice of internship. Stipend also. The survey data reveals that so amount that they are going to get doing that internship, that stipend, that payment. The survey data reveals that the average stipend offered to interns was recorded as 7,000 rupees, while the maximum stipend up to rupees 85,000. According to statistics, a greater number of people considered virtual internships than in office internships. Greater number of people preferred virtual internships. That is online. Yes, virtual internships got three times more applications than in office since a large chunk of students were the ones already enrolled in various courses or preferred working from home. So large chunk of them they preferred working at home. Okay, so here now the question comes here. There is argument and there has to be counter argument. So what is the right answer for that question number 14? I hope it's clear to you now. Okay, question number 14. Let's go to question number 14. Argument. I don't think you'll be considered for an internship just because you have been the student editor. Okay, now here, that is not very important here. I think I have fair chance now. She's giving answer or he's giving answer because I'm applying for virtual position, then I think this you can eliminate A because here lot of applications are be there. That is what is given there. They are not given that. Yes, that they will be getting the chance. Actually, lot of competition is there for virtual of competition. So you eliminate A. So if you eliminate A, so any of you want to try to give the answer for this? I have a real-time experience in managing a team, and many companies consider it. I think when you are coming to this, you feel that yes, answer may be B because we are in second paragraph. The last sentence talks about this. And you'll find that in passages, questions based on passages, you may find the answers rather than in the middle, maybe first or last sentences. That right. B is the right answer. That's what Vikas Kumar says. Okay. Yes, B is the right answer. Yes, I think it's quite clear real time experience. Let's see the third one. I know that my stipend might be on the lower side, but I think see this assertion is not there. When you're giving the answer, that what they find what they want to find out is your assertion, how you assert yourself. So that is not there. Lot of metro cities have a good percentage of positions. This also doesn't sound. No, you have to give a counter argument. You have to assert yourself. You have to give a counter argument. And counter argument you'll find there, I have a real time experience. Yes, I have got a good experience. And that definitely I'll get into that. So counter argument, how assertive you are, that is what is very important. Assertion in counter argument is very important. And that is the clue I'm giving you today. I hope you understood this. And by this, you'll be able to find the answer, right answer for this kind of question. Okay, let's move on to the next one now. Select the option that displays yes, the correct cause effect relationship. A several students had academic courses to complete. Students applied for online internships. A large chunk of students preferred in office internship applications with three times more than for virtual internship. So cause and effect. So why this cause and what is the effect? So result of that. So that is what you have to find out. Yes, can you just find out this? A greater number of students wanted to work from home. Several students had courses to complete. So cause and effect. Right. Vikas Kumar is able to, yes, students applied for online internships. An equal number of students applied. Very good, Vikas. You are going to correct answer. What is the correct answer? Several students had academic courses to complete, and that's the reason why students applied for online internship. Yes. Why did they apply for online internship? Because that is very clear in paragraph number 3. So it's very clear in paragraph number 3, which I have read it. So what will move on to this next question? Question number 16. The survey statistics mentions the average stipend indicating that. So you have to attempt how many? 6 questions you have to attempt. 3 more are remaining. Just the survey statistics mention the average stipend indicating that 50% interns were offered 85. Yes, I think you can very easily find out the answer for this. Rupees 85,000, 50% interns. 7,000 was the lowest and 85,000 was the highest. So I think, okay, most interns were offered around 7,000 rupees. No intern was offered more than 7,000 rupees. So let's go to this paragraph and read that. And I got little bit doubt. So you can just tell me what is the answer. C is the right answer. Most interns were offered around rupees 7,000. So let's see here whether that is the answer for this. Okay. Of the paragraph number 3, third one, and then we'll read the fourth paragraph. Then see here, the survey data reveals that the average stipend offered to interns was recorded as rupees 7,000. So average stipend. So most of them they got 7,000. That's correct. C is the correct one. While the maximum, so average, so most of them they got 7,000 around that, and the maximum stipend went up to 85,000 rupees. So right answer is C. Okay, we'll just read the fourth paragraph and then we'll see remaining 2 questions. Okay, internship portals have sprung up in the last 3 to 4 years, and many of them already report healthy traffic per month. Reports suggest that on an average, an internship portal company has around 2 lakh plus students and some 8,000 companies registered on it. It gets around 2 lakh visits online every month. The managing director of a leading executive search firm says that though these web platforms are working as an effective bridge between the industry and students, most established companies are still reluctant to take too many interns on board for obvious reasons. So let's go to the last 2 questions and let's attempt those last 2 questions. So let's go to those. Question number uh, 15 we already discussed. 16, you have given right answer. Most interns were offered around 7,000 rupees. And the 17th question, the phrase healthy traffic refers to. So this phrase refers to what? Updates from portals about health and road safety, statistics about adherence to traffic rules by the portals, sizable number of visitors to the portal per month, monthly data about the health of internship applicants. So what is the right answer? Updates, healthy traffic. So Vikas Kumar, you are giving that answer. Okay. Statistics about adherence to. I think adhere to, stick to, or comply with. So adhere to why I'm discussing, because that's very important for UPSC. So you follow that or adhere to traffic rules. You stick to traffic rules. You follow the traffic rules. Adhere to, comply with. These are the synonymous phrases. So very important one, because in UPSC exam, spotting the errors and all, you may get this. Adhere to. Okay. So about adherence to or adhere to, right? So here the right answer is C, as Vikas Kumar has pointed out. The right answer for this question is C, sizable number of visitors to the portal per month. Okay, very good. So let's go to the last question. That's question number 18. And tomorrow we'll take up the writing section. Okay, let's discuss this. Read the two statements given below and select the option that suitably explains them. Established company, one needs, so two statements are given there. So like these questions you'll find, so one statement is, established companies are reluctant to take too many interns on board. So that is what is the first statement. Second one, probability of interns leaving the company for a variety of reasons is high. So one is the problem and second is the solution for one. One is false, but correctly explains one. What is that? False. Established companies are reluctant to take too many interns on board. Those companies which are established, they don't want to take too many interns on board. Whether it's correct or wrong, that's what you have to think. Because fourth one says one is true and B says one is false. So first of all, you find out whether it's a true fact or wrong fact. Okay. And if you are able to find out that established companies are reluctant to take, then you'll be able to find the answer. Okay, we'll just first of all we'll find out whether it's a true or false, so that we can decide upon that B and D. Okay, then we can think about other two, A and C. So here established companies, now your internship portals have sprung up. Okay, reports suggest that on an average, an internship portal company has around 2 lakh plus students and some 8,000 companies registered on it. It gets around 2 lakh. Okay. The managing director of a leading executive search firm says that though these web platforms are working as an effective bridge between the industry and students, most established companies are still reluctant to take. So this is obviously correct statement. This is obvious true statement. So when it's a true statement, B is wrong. So there is possibility that answer may be D. Okay, let's see here. One is the problem. That is not a problem. Okay, that is not a problem. So that is not a solution for that. So probability of interns leaving the company for a variety of reasons. That is one A you eliminate. B also you eliminate. One summarizes two. Okay, very good. That is true, and the reason for that is probably of internals leaving the company for a variety of reasons is very high, and that is the reason why established companies are reluctant to take many interns on board. I hope everything. Yes, I hope you understood all this. Any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, we can end up this session here. Yes, boys, any doubt? Yes, Vikas Kumar.